specifically in your case, how did you, what was your path to getting into supplier quality and development?
Yeah, so from a development standpoint, I'm a lean practitioner by trade. You know, I love the continuous improvement side of the business. You know, anytime that there's a problem, you know, I'm happy to put on the parachute and jump into the fire. But really, as we work through, you know, understanding how to make our operations lean, you know, you came to the realization that you were only as lean as your supply chain would let you be. So for us, and early in my career, it was, you know, understanding that, you know, if I need to pull working capital down, or if I need to push throughput out or increase inventory turns, I absolutely had to, you know, go back into the supply base, work with our suppliers, you know, understand where their bottlenecks and points of contention were, so that I could really drive through and help improve our operations, you know, our working capital position, and then ultimately, you know, reduce lead time so that we could ship pumps and products, you know, a lot faster into the marketplace. So, for instance, we had a standard pump product, and this is an engineer to order, a configured to order pump that Weir would make, and we started out understanding that, you know, we had a 3-month lead time on it, which was unacceptable to the customer. You know, this is a critical piece of equipment inside of their process flow. And we said, you know, what would be a competitive advantage? How could we sell more of these? How could we make our sales guys be delighted in what we were doing in operations, which is a tall ask, I realize, but super critical on our way through. And so we took that from 3 months of lead time down to 5 days, you know, strategic inventory in place, the ability to, you know, to have select configurations that would work, you know, making sure that all of the documentation that then had to go with that pump and its operating parameters and pump curves and all, you know, the nerd stuff that goes into it were readily available and already produced. So as we, you know, as we looked at what did the bottlenecks hit that stopped us from, you know, achieving a 5-day, you know, order, take, and ship time, that we could actually, you know, compress that down just by looking at each step in the process, and then making sure that we had some solutions in place that would allow us to get there. So yeah, 3 months to 5 days, we felt really good about that one, and we're able to make it a competitive advantage when the sales guys could take advantage of it.